everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I am doing a haul from Smashbox. This is called Try Me Fan Fave set. It's just like this. So it has the original Photofinish Smooth Blur Primer right here. Always on liquid lipstick, which is this one here. Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio, 24-hour Finish Shadow Primer, and the Super Fan Mascara, which is right here, the red one. So we're gonna open it up right now, and it's just, it's all wrapped individually in these. So let's see which one we open. Okay, so it's this size, just like that, and when you open it, it looks like that. This is called Snap Queen, and it's got the names on the back as well of the shadows. It's got Get Candid, Hit Reply, and Save to Faves. Just like that. I'm gonna go swatch these, so you get an idea how tiny they are, but it's cute. Perfect for traveling. And see how small it is? Just there. I'm gonna swatch this one again. Just like that, right there. Hopefully that's picking it up. So it's more of a brownish plummy color, and this is more of a kind of like a purplish pink color, and this is pink right there, like a light pink color. And the other items in there, this is the 24-hour Photofinish. This one I have, and this is the actual size of it. Open it, it's just like that. And see. So it's creamy in texture, and it feels a little bit of a silicone feel to it. So the other one that we have in here is, oh my gosh, it's so cute, Always on Liquid Lipstick, and this is called Throwback Jam. It says it right there. I'm recording with my iPhone right now, so I'm like kind of lost. I'm not used to this. Open this up, just like that. That's the applicator. And we'll go ahead and put it here. So this is a matte shade, so when I put it on, it feels really dry, if you can see. Just like that. And opening this is a little primer. So this one is just 0.25 fluid ounce, or 71 milliliter, it says. So just like that. Hopefully you can see it. And there. This one feels totally like a silicone feel to it. Just like that. And it goes on clear. And the last item is the mascara. So this is just 0.17 ounces, or 5 milliliter. So when you open it up, this is what the wand looks like. And it feels, so it kind of bends, as you can see, and it's like rubber type. There. And the other item that I purchased, that I have here, where is it? Oh, it's on the floor. Is the Self-Worth lipstick. It's called Always on Cream to Matte Lipstick. So just like that, and the name is Self-Worth It. Hopefully it's picking it up because I see it on the screen and it just looks like it's just the light is flashing is all I can see. Oh, that's so nice. So it's like just like this on the top, and so see, Smashbox, open it. It doesn't have a scent, and go just like that. So it's a nice shade of pink. It's like that, and let me see how it feels. So it glides on, not like this one where it almost feels like a lip liner, that it's dry. This one is, it's soft and it glides on nicely. Just like that. So that concludes my video, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this, this is what I like to do and enjoy doing, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.